Super helps emergency tire puncture rescue aerosol. We all live in an era pressed of time, meeting commitments, rushing to pick up kids, making it to the office on time, or making it to an important business meeting. Time is everything, and time is money. No one is free from the risk of a sudden, unexpected puncture. It can happen to the best of cars and the best of us. The latest cars and technologies fail when it comes to such situations. Changing a deflated tire is not free of dangers, and most important, the lost time and anxiety of missing that important appointment. In such situations, SuperHelp's emergency tire puncture rescue aerosol eliminates the need for an immediate tire change and guarantees arriving at your destination calm, clean, and without losing much time. Once you are equipped with SuperHelp's emergency tire puncture rescue aerosol, nothing is simpler. Remove the object like a nail, if possible and visible. Position the wheel intake valve at the top so the liquid could flow in easily with gravity and distribute uniformly. Then completely deflate the tire. Shake the aerosol. Screw on the connector. Press hard on the locking tab to release the aerosol. And let the aerosol empty completely. And it's done. For your own safety, know the traffic around you whilst the tire self-inflates. The tire repairs in record time. The SuperHelp's emergency tire puncture rescue aerosol contains gas and latex mixture, allowing the tire to be reflated whilst plugging the hole at the same time. Drive for approximately 10 to 15 kilometers at a maximum speed of 50 kilometers per hour to fully circulate the formulation and seal the puncture. Inside the tire, the latex mixture is distributed uniformly while driving along, and as it heats up, it causes the latex to polymerize, thus guaranteeing a reliable and firm repair. Get the tire and air pressure checked at the nearest service station. Deflate and then inflate the tire for better results. Do you want peace of mind? Then drive with SuperHelp's emergency tire puncture rescue aerosol always in your glove box. Guaranteed usage life of 5 years from the date of manufacture, compatible with all types of tires, both tubed and tubeless, and has the capacity to repair one punctured tire of small to medium sized cars, scooters, motorcycles, and even bicycles. SuperHelp's emergency tire puncture rescue aerosol, a product that you must have in your car.